Kaitaia.
Kaitaia fire.
Kaitaia fire.
Another significant area.
Kia ora.
Signed by 61
61.
chiefs.
And some Pākehā.
I did see that.
The signing here was the 28th of April.
Quite a few months after.
And a significant tupuna vows of yours as well, Nōpera Panakareo, as well as his wife, Ere Onora.
Bit of a tricky one, that one.
Yeah.
Tēnā koe, brother.
Kia ora.
Hey.
Kia ora. We're up here all the time, but in actually coming to these specific sites, you just overlook them. Yeah. They're quite significant, in the building of our nation.
Yeah, definitely. No, it's been a good huarahi, good haerenga,
Aye.
good tipi haere. Hopefully we can do more of it.
Yeah. More sheets.
More sheets.